Hey Evan, how's the music thing going? Looking good, your hair is fun. You know you've always been a really cool dude. Man, you blew up like so fast. Why do you say you're going nowhere fast? Man, remember me, from your past, we used to have such a blast. Man, I bet you pull all of the women, captivate the audience with your presence. But I can't imagine how you've been feeling. Does anyone ask you? How are you feeling? Do you ever look up at the ceiling and realize how far you've come and what you have done? Independent artist, one of one. And you know Dad is the proudest of you as his son. You know you've always been my brother. You know you got me through a ton of struggles with the song, brother. Thank you for showing me what empathy is and compassion is. Can't imagine all the pain you've been through with women. You shrug it off like you're just chilling. Can't imagine how you feel. Please know you're not alone. And if you ever think that you're not enough, know that's a lie from the devil down below. His only job is to show you're below everyone else. I encourage you to go and show and keep blowing up and show the world what you're made of. Just know I'll never be in shock when you make it to the top. I love you, bro. I can't wait to see your next show. Sorry, this is imperfect, Evan, but I love you. I want to give it to you. Thank you for getting me through this, so many hard times through the song Brother, and I'll never forget you saying, I can't imagine what you're going through. That was the first time I really felt like somebody tried to understand, and I love you, bro.